Do you want to be able to add buy 2 get 1 discount on your Shopify store? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this, but it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. So what I'm going to do firstly is to go into Shopify and then log into my Shopify account, because then I should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do is to select right here where it says discounts, as you can see, and now we're going to create a new discount. So click on create discount, and we're going to check this one, buy X get Y, as you can see. So click on this one right here. Then we're going to also have a discount code. So I'm just going to write this one right here, just as an example basically. So write the discount code in here, or you can also have an automatic discount, just so you know. So we can either have a discount code or an automatic discount, doesn't really matter. So basically what you're going to do now is to just select quantity in here. So we're going to take 2, because they need to buy 2 items, any items from specific products or specific collections. This is what you can actually choose, but I'm just going to click on search products in here, click on browse, then I'm going to take these 2 products right here. So let's say that they actually buy these 2 products right here. So if they do so, they can actually get one of this product right here. So if they buy test product 1 and test product 2, they can also get test product 3, as you can see, for a 0, like, yeah, they're going to actually get it for free, basically, as you can see. So we can just scroll down, set a maximum number of users per order. You can also have like 100% users can actually use this until it's not valid anymore. Then you can have a start date and an start time, as you can see, and you can also set an end date if you would want to. And then we're going to click on save discount, as you can see. Oh, sorry, of course, this is going to be at buy 2 get 1. We need to also have this title right here, of course, and then click on save. And this is basically exactly how to do this.